Welcome to this walkthrough of our positions simulator. We built this tool to help you understand and visualize how IV Crush impacts options going through earnings. Let's walk through how it works. The screen loads with a random call. Click Clear to start from scratch whenever you need. Start by selecting a stock. The list is filtered to show names reporting earnings within the next 2 weeks, and only those with liquid enough options to comfortably trade. Next, build any position you want. On the left, you'll find the long legs. On the right, your short ones. Hover over any contract to see its Greeks, as well as its volume. Data updates in near real time, with latency of only a few minutes. You can mix strikes, expirations, and multiple legs. The box in the middle updates with your position's total entry cost as you compose it. Once your position is set, click Run. This simulation models how your position's price evolves through the entire earnings week. For any position you compose, we model the IV Crush individually for each option, allowing us to accurately model how the whole position will behave. You can see the day-by-day evolution of your position through earnings, shown here for a no-move scenario. Notice the first trading day after the release, highlighted in purple, where the IV Crush occurs. Use the sliders and arrows to tweak price action on any day and try different scenarios. You can, for example, use what you learned from studying the Moves Analyzer to see what your P&L would be in different scenarios, such as the biggest or smallest move in recent history or over multiple years. Want to test typical earnings move scenarios? Click the low/high buttons. It'll simulate the average earnings move plus or minus 1 standard deviation based on the stock's last 10 years of reports. On the right side, you can see the position's break-even on the day of the release, factoring in both IV Crush and theta decay. The next section compares your break-even to historical earnings moves to give you a data-backed sense of its probability of success. This is a realistic estimate of the likelihood of success, not based on default Greeks like many tools use, but by actually focusing on the stock's behavior around earnings. You can think of it as a delta, but specifically tailored to earnings scenarios. We show you the distribution of past moves alongside your break-even and calculate a likelihood of success score based on how reasonable your target move is for this stock, given the past 10 years. If you're trading long volatility, break-even should be well inside the range of typical earnings moves. For short volatility, it's the opposite. The wider the break-even range, the better. You'll also see how break-even compares to historical min and max earnings moves. Then comes the risk-reward section. We estimate how the position would perform if the stock repeats its historical min or max earnings move, defined as the average move plus or minus 1 standard deviation over the past 10 years. It gives a realistic view of outcomes based on historical data. You'll also see a full P&L curve. X-axis is stock move, Y-axis is profit and loss. And we summarize all this with a risk-reward score based on all those statistics. Want some predefined setups? Click Classic Strategies to load in standard long or short volatility structures like straddles, strangles, or iron condors. Click on any position, then tweak and test to your liking. Want to put the strategy to the test? Click Paper Trade to simulate opening the position under real market conditions. Our paper trading feature uses real-time options prices, so you can track the position's evolution just like a live trade. You'll be able to monitor and close the trade from your portfolio view, perfect for practicing and refining your strategy. To size up the trade, simply add more legs to allocate additional capital. You start with $100,000 in virtual cash, so don't hesitate to experiment and sharpen your approach. Overall, this tool gives you a full simulation of earnings trades, from IV Crush to potential P&L, all backed by current and historical data. Go ahead and explore it, and don't hesitate to reach out if you have any questions.